Okay, thank you for staying with me. Let's work with some of the examples of the teacher in the programming language 1. If you go to the website, which is web.unidev.hu in the media wiki, you will find some information. Here you can place code, and there is 5 programs. You should choose this one. If you click there, you will have, oh, I'm sorry, I need to log in. Okay, if you click on this lecture, you will have this code. It's really important. Just copy and paste in one of the programs. So let's open this file. I pasted already. It's just to save it. So let's file, save as. I create a new folder. This new folder's name is just a second, dorm src. Okay, here is Joe. So let's name this file with the name of Joe.c. If we have this Joe.c, then we will have the normal information. I'll take just the trash, and let's make some changes. The first change that you must do is in this part. Let's open not a function but a struct. The struct works like a variable. So struct, then let's put in start person backdash t, and let's open the brackets and close it. Inside of this, we are going to put one char. It could be a string, but in this char, let's put one pointer. This pointer is going to be the name. Once we have the information of name, we can put the rest of the integers. Integers with the age, also, just a second, let me check if I am recording this. Okay, no problem. Once we have the age, we have also the age and the integers of weight. And let's put one double for BMI, which is the volume of mass information. Okay, so we have this. The next part is the first function that is working here, and return n. And the second part is we want another function that does not give you back anything, so don't worry about that information. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's create another function here besides of this part of the main function. Let's create this function. This create function will be named as void read person, which is going to be the information of the person, and also let's put the information of the struct, that is drive the person, and we have the person already here, person t. Let's put one pointer. This pointer will rely for one information that we are going to ask later. Remember to put the brackets, open and close it, and inside of this we can put some part of the information. An example, we are going to ask to the user something which is here. An example, we can put the age, weight, and also we are going to ask for the name. So we can copy, delete it, and something that we deleted, we are going to put this inside. Okay, let's first continue and ask to the user about of the name. So let's printf, and inside of this printf we can ask to the user, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Space and semicolon. Where are we going to save this? Well, let's put one scanf. Scanf, and inside of this scanf, let's save some space memory. If you want to save it one space memory, you should put percent like malloc s. We don't put malloc, but we put one string and memory, that we need space memory. What we are going to save in this space memory? Well, in this something that we are with the ampersand and pointer with the person with the start p. After that, we are going to put dot name, which is the address of the information. And because we have this information of the address, also we need to give the information back for the next information lines. So instead of just 8, we should put inside one pointer of p dot 8, and in the checking bounds let's put another information, which is going to be, yes, you're right, person p, then dot 8. Let's do the same action in the next blow, which is something here is going to be also mostly the same. Remember to put the dot because we are going to address the information. It's really important to put this dot and the pointer p. And we are missing just this part. Very good. Pointer p, and is p, let's put one pointer on the age. Okay, very good. So we finish this information. Now the integer is going to be a let's-go. It's just really small, the main function. At the beginning, it was the main function cover everything. Now we can split out. So this is the first part of the void, and we also can make another function. Inside of this function, we can put this information, which is a double mass Control copy, and we can delete extra information if we don't need. So let's save, which is void, because we don't want to give back nothing. We just want to make some kind of operation. So calculate BNI, the mass information. Inside of this information, remember that we drive the information to the struct, which is in person t, and let's put one pointer name that then we are going to use later. Remember, open brackets, and inside of these brackets is going to be the operation that we want to do. There's going to be some changes here because it's in P. We can do this action. We can do an example, the pointer P and then on dot P. But I have something similar, and which is in fact a little bit small. We can just put an example P and then one row left. This is exactly the same. If we put an example P and then this row, there's no problem. This is similar to this. There's no difference. It's the same action, but actually I'm getting more smart because we can have more information. We, instead of double, we can just put here the P and that information. In the double, I think we got it. We got the information. So as you can see, it's occupying less space, and also it seems like we have better results, and the code is more clean and readable, because you know, with the parentheses it can be a mess sometimes. Okay, and let's erase some extra information that we don't need. An example here, this information is not needed, so let me check it out. Let me double check, because it's in one function. I think it's not needed. Int name. Okay, it's getting a little bit closer to the end. Okay, let me get back a little bit, and I'm going to make another function. This function we also can call 8 boy, and this is going to be print person. In this function we are going to print the information of the person. So let's struct with person t, and it's not necessary to get a pointer. We're just going to print, so just put a P instead of starting. This is not a pointer, it's just a direction of information. So let's put one int here, I'm sorry, the brackets, and inside of this let's put the information that we need. This is going to be this part, so we can erase it. Okay, so inside of this is not necessary the information about the declaration of integer and weight, and if we must to show the name, so printf, inside of this printf we can ask for the name as well. We can show the name, so print your name is, and then person s. If I'm not wrong, we can jump, but also here is needed more information. An example we can put in this part p dot name. In this part also is needed the p dot 8, also here p dot and p dot h, and pbmi. So it's getting a better look. It's less code inside of the main, but we have a problem here, and the problem is that we need to call here in the main function the information that we put in functions. So let's put that the int main is going to be validated one struct person t, and let's put one name. This is can be whatever name. Let's put my name, Osvaldo. Inside of this we can read the person. This is going to be ampersand Osvaldo, and also we want to calculate the body mass. Inside of this is going to be Osvaldo also, and the last we want to print the information of the person. Inside of this information we just put Osvaldo. So this file, save it. Let's try to compile joe.c, and with the compilation we can put gcc minus w minus output. Let's put joe and the name of the file joe.c. Oh, I'm sorry, we need to go to the correct folder. cd, let me remember what is the folder. Joe, J-O, cd joe. Okay, we're in the folder, and we can do the same action. In the red int inspect message. Let me check it out. Where's the information? And also I need the line. It's in the 25. Interest, okay, and the 25, and it's asking for the 1. Let's double check what is going on. We have something that is expected a semicolon. Actually, we don't need a semicolon. Let me verify what is going on inside. Okay, we are here some semicolons and the red int. int run int constant chart message int end int result I'm going to need one little help. Let me open this file. I need to go to the src information and the pdi.c. Okay, this is going to be the same. Just let me copy and paste, and if something is wrong, well, I can suppose that I'm not doing a good job here. Okay, I'm going to put the structure person. Oh yes, now I find it. This is one semicolon. There's one semicolon here, and I'm going to control save and copy and paste. So let's put Joe, and what is your name? My name is Osvaldo, or I can put another line. My name is Edgar. I'm 77 and 66 and 44, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry for this long time, but I'm trying to get step